Good day students, I hope you all are doing well. Today in our digital class, we are going to write a composition or an essay. Now tell me children, recently we celebrated a Jayanti of a great leader. Who he was? Yes, we celebrated the Jayanti of Mahatma Gandhiji on 2nd of October. So today we are going to write a composition or an essay on a father of a nation, Mahatma Gandhi. First, we will discuss some points on his life and then we'll write a short paragraph or a composition on Gandhiji. So, let's start. Mahatma Gandhiji was born on 2nd of October 1869. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Mohandas Mohandas Karamchand Karamchand Gandhi. Gandhi. So, children, Mahatma Gandhiji was born on 2nd of October 1869 and his full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. From childhood, Gandhiji believed in truth and non-violence. So, do you know children, from childhood or when he was small, he inculcated many good values. Among them, truth and non-violence was his main values. Truth means honesty and non-violence means ahimsa or without force or without hurting others, that is non-violence. He fought for the freedom of our country. He was imprisoned many times. Now, do you know children, many years ago, India was captured by the British or the Britishers ruled our country. So, to free our country from the Britishers or from the foreign rule, Gandhiji strived hard. He fought with them with the help of the weapon, non-violence or ahimsa. And because of that, he was imprisoned. Imprisoned means put in jail by the Britishers many times. At last, India became free on August 1947. So, after many years, after striving hard with the help of non-violence, Gandhiji and with the help of other leaders, we got freedom on August 1947. Gandhiji was lovingly called Bapu. Gandhiji was loved by everyone, so everyone called him Bapu lovingly. We see his photograph on every currency note. So you must have seen all the notes. You can see Gandhiji's photo on it. Gandhiji was assassinated on 30th January 1948 when he was going to prayers at a prayer meeting. Assassinated means killed. So children, he was killed on 30th January, or you can say he died on 30th January 1948. The whole country was in deep mourning. Mourning means grief. So after he died, all the countrymen was in great grief, or whole country was very sad. But still today we remember him in our hearts. So Gandhiji is still alive in our hearts. So I hope you must have understood how to write with the help of some points a composition on Gandhiji. So let's recall all these points and together we'll write it in a paragraph. Father of a nation, Mahatma Gandhiji. Mahatma Gandhiji was born on 2nd of October 1869. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. From childhood, Gandhiji believed in truth and non-violence. He fought for the freedom of a country. He was imprisoned many times. At last, India became free on August 1947. We see his photograph on every currency note. Gandhiji was lovingly called Bapu. Gandhiji died on 30th January 1948. Gandhiji is still alive in our hearts. So children, I hope you must have understood how to write a short paragraph or a short essay on Mahatma Gandhiji. So you do have to write neatly in your grammar textbook and also in grammar notebook. So bye till now. Meet you in the next class. Keep smiling and don't forget to subscribe our channel.